So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giri and today we'll be unboxing the Qiyuan S4x4 and the Qixing S7x7. Yay, I finally have a 4x4. Okay, so first let's unbox the 4x4. So I don't have any practice in 4x4 that much, but I have some knowledge about it. So let's unbox it. Okay, they didn't give a label. Oh, they did. I just removed it. Okay, nice texture. It's just like all the Chinese cubes have, light blue and then some kind of pink reddish. Okay, let's do some algorithms on this. Holy, this is fast. I wasn't expecting this from a 4x4. This is like too good to be true. Like all the previous 4x4s I had, they broke and they were like very rough. They were never like this. They're not like this smooth. So let's see, the top layers can corner cut. Oh yeah, they can. What about the middle layers? Oh yeah, little. Oh, I'm very surprised because most of the 4x4s they can't corner cut, and you're not supposed to do a corner cut on big cubes. But still, just checking. So it's time to unbox the 7x7. Personally, I don't have any experience in a 7x7. This is my first 7x7 and I don't know how will I do. Okay, anyways, the missing piece from all this is a 6x6, but I'll get that soon too. Now let's unbox it. Okay, maybe this fellow held a world record like maybe 5 years back maybe. Now he's no more the world record holder. Okay. Yay, they have given me how to solve a 7x7. I don't need this. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is the heaviest cube which I have and the biggest, and it's just so big. Okay, let's see how it turns. Okay, not bad for a 7x7. It's just so hard controlling the outer layers because you have to hold it all the way back over here, and you can't just hold the cube like this, you know. So it's really hard to solve the big cubes in a 3x3 stage especially. So yeah, this is actually nice. This is better than my expectations. I thought it would get caught on nothing and all this, but it does feel if I try to solve it too fast, one of these pieces might just pop out. But I'll give it a yes. It's nice. Okay, so now coming to the size. So the 4x4 is like 1 millimeter smaller than my 5x5. So this is as big as my old 5x5. Whereas for this 7x7, this one is 68 millimeters. So I don't know if that's the standard size for 7x7 or something, but it feels right. So of course for the 4x4 I got the time which I expected, and probably it could have been more faster, but I wasn't taking any chances. So yeah, this you could say is one of my averages. So, and it turned pretty smoothly as I expected it. So and the 7x7, my first solve got like 8 sub 9, so that was like really nice. It might be good, it might be bad, I don't know, but I'm assuming that it's good, that it was sub 9 at least on the first solve. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video, and please like the video, share the video, comment on it, and do not forget to press the subscribe button and the bell notification, so whenever I put a new video you'll get to know. And thank you for the last video. It was like crazy, like so many subscribers, and yeah, really thankful. At one point I think it reached 180, then many people unsubscribed, and now it's 101. So but still, thank you, and thank you for all the good comments, and really appreciate it. And you can just give me suggestions what to make next.